I want to meet myself from another person's point of view and experience my own energy. Now, the common denominator when it comes to attraction is that the people we are attracted to sometimes bears a resemblance of either our energy, our traumas, our characters, our darkness, our lightness. And isa yun sa mga bagay na ikinatutuwa natin. At later on, ikina-attract natin doon sa tao na na-attract tayo. Now, ang problema kasi doon is that most of us, when we have those kinds of attraction, instead of acknowledging it, we try to bury that thought as if hindi siya totoo or hindi siya nag-e-exist. Now, that's where the problem begins. Pag binaon mo yan, hindi naman mamamatay yan. It will silently grow in the shadows. Up until such, magkaroon na siya ng enough strength para lumabas at i-dominate, i-influence yung subconscious actions mo. And then later on, hindi mo alam kung bakit yun yung pinili na gustuhan or na-attract kang tao. The solution might sound so simple, but it's one of the hardest thing na hirap tayong gawin. Imagine, we brand them as our partner, but we cannot lay bare or magtanggal ng maskara at magsabi ng totoo sa kanila. Bakit nga naman? Pag ginubad mo yung maskara, sabihin ng parang, bakit? Ayoko. Diba? Your truth is neglected. Your truth is neglected. Your truth is punished. So, bakit ka pa maghuhubad ng maskara sa partner mo? Suot ko na lang. And then, well, maybe somewhere in life, I could find a person that could accept yung version ko na walang maskara. And hulaan nyo, sino yung usually gumagawa nun? Yes. Tama. Well, this is your lifestyle coach, Mark. You could book a free clarity session so that we could check if we could work together towards our goal. Have a good day.